Formnext always has surprises, but this year, 5 things genuinely made us stop, stare, and say, okay, that's impressive. Welcome back to 3D Natives. After days of exploring every hall, testing demos, and talking to teams, we've seen everything from micro-precision parts to multi-ton robots. But a handful of innovations really stood out. Not just because they looked cool, but they push AM forward in a way we didn't expect. A fully 3D printed boat hull built in a single weekend? CEAD and Faber-Navalis are reshaping marine manufacturing with an automated system that prints tough, impact-resistant hulls using CEAD's HD Pro material. The result is a fast, reliable, closed-loop workflow capable of producing durable, low-maintenance boats like this almost 6-meter fishing vessel with minimal oversight. The aerospace sector is booming with metal additive manufacturing, and the GE Catalyst turboprop is one of the best examples of that shift. Built with nearly 30% metal 3D printed components from Colibrium Additive, it uses high-performance alloys like nickel alloy 718 to handle extreme temperatures and loads. The result is a lighter, more efficient engine with the best power-to-weight ratio in its class. Alexander Wang's 3D printed kitten heels trade the runways of New York Fashion Week for Formnext. What makes them so cool is the engineering behind the look. Helos uses Carbon's DLS technology to create a soft, multi-density lattice upper paired with a rigid printed heel. The result is a fashion piece that's actually comfortable, something rare in both 3D printing and stilettos. Get ready to hit the road with Rapid Liquid Print, where gravity doesn't get a say. Rapid Liquid Print's gravity-free process makes full-scale, flexible motorcycle parts. The seat alone was printed in 392 minutes, and the helmet liner in just 165 minutes. Printing inside a gel using the proprietary software Veer, RLP creates complex, non-planar structures with no supports and almost no post-processing. It's a standout example of how fast, customized, in-use additive manufacturing is evolving. We discovered this application from the drone bird at the EOS booth. This bio-inspired drone is built to fly like a real bird and stay nearly undetectable. It prints in just 3 hours and 35 minutes on the EOS P396 using their EOS ALM powder. That keeps it lightweight, stiff, and high performance. A standout example of stealthy UAV design that made possible by additive manufacturing. And that's a wrap. Those are the 5 things that truly impressed us this year. But trust us, this is just a small taste of what we experienced here. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.